welcome to my channel. Today I filmed a coppery eye tutorial for you. I do want to mention that all I use in this tutorial are Makeup Geek eyeshadows, but if you don't have the same products that I'm using, all you have to do to achieve the same effect is replace the eyeshadows for some that you own and that are of similar tones. And if you want to use completely different colors, it is all up to you. What matters is that you're practicing the skill and techniques. Now let's jump into the eye tutorial. The first color that we are going to be using today is the color Creme Brulee. And this is just a beautiful transition shade. If you don't own Makeup Geek eyeshadows, all you have to do is take a color that's about 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin tone. Your bronzer would do the perfect job. I'm going to apply this on my crease. And then of course what you do to one eye, you do to the other. The color that I'm about to add is the color Cocoa Bear. And this is a red slash brown, perfect, just warm toned color. This is kind of like an earth, maybe a brick red color. So again, if you don't own Makeup Geek eyeshadows, you already know the drill. Just get something that's similar to this if you want to achieve the same effect. With my bigger blending brush, I'm about to apply this orange color called Rule. And I'm going to apply this on my crease, but a little bit above that red color. And I am going to try to keep the color on the outer corner. Once you're done with that, you take a lighter shade. Personally, I'm going to go with the color Chickadee, and this is an orange yellow color. It's a more diluted orange than the one we previously used. Again, I do like looks that resemble sunsets, and since today we are going to do a coppery eye, I want the sunset effect on the top. I am going to apply this color more towards my inner corner. That's where I'm going to start applying the pigment. And then I'm going to slowly spread it out towards the outside. I want to marry this light orange color to the darker one that we applied a moment ago. For our final step, we need a coppery shade, and I am going to be using the color Flamethrower. This is one of my favorite coppery lid shades. The intensity is amazing. It is a foiled eyeshadow. It is a $10 eyeshadow, but in my perspective, it is definitely worth it. It is very pigmented. It's actually buttery and it just goes very smoothly on your lids. I am going to be applying the color with my finger. Once you're done applying your lid shade, you do want to go back to a color that you previously used on the crease, just so that you can make sure that both colors are married, that everything is perfectly blended together. And I am going to go back to the color Cocoa Bear. I'm going to take just a little bit of this and I'm going to apply it close, very tightly on my crease. And then again, I'm taking my fluffy blending brush and I'm going to take the color Chickadee and I'm going to apply it just to make sure that everything is blended and smooth out. And I am going to start on the outer corner and I'm going to slowly drag the color to the inner corner. For the lower part of my eye, I am going to start with the color Rule. I'm going to be using a $1 e.l.f. pencil brush. I am going to be applying this color close to my lower lash line. For the final step, I am going to be taking the color Cocoa Bear and I'm going to apply it close to my lower lash line as well, but a little more on the outer corner. I'm just going to concentrate the color there. And there you have it. Your look is basically complete. Now what I am going to do off camera is I am going to apply eyeliner, I will apply mascara, and I'm going to apply a lip color. I am also going to use what I used for my highlight for my inner corner. So I'll see you in a second. We've come to the end of this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Start leaving your request on the comments down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the bell button for notifications. And hopefully I see you here next time. Goodbye.